Hello everyone, today we'll be covering how to solve problems using the geometric mean. Now, when using the geometric mean, we normally use it with problems that have these types of diagrams, where we have pretty much three right triangles inside of each other. Now, there are two types of rules, the altitude rule in this video, and in the next video will be the leg rule. So what the altitude rule says that we want to set up a ratio between the parts and the altitudes. Okay, and remember, our altitude is formed when a line segment connects a vertex point to a side of the triangle and forms a right angle. Okay, so with that being said, let's try and map out the ratio, the proportion set up here with the problem here. So we're given the altitude as x. We have one part. Let's call this P1 as 12, and the second part, let's call this P2 as 8. So following these rules, it says AD over BC, AD over BD, sorry about that. So then we're going to do 12 over X equals, and then here it says BD over DC. That will be X over 8. So at this point, we're going to solve proportions as we normally do, which is cross multiplying. So we're going to do 12 times 8, that's going to be 96, equals x times x, that's x squared. Okay, so here we're trying to solve for x. Take the square root to both sides. We're going to get the square root of 96 equals x. However, we want our answer in a simplified form. Normally you'll see that on the region, so we're going to break this down. Let's see, two values that multiply to 96, where one of them is a perfect square, is 16 and 6. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 6 doesn't break down to a perfect square, so we leave it. So our final answer is 4 root 6. And x equals 4 root 6. So that's pretty much it for the altitude rule. I'll be doing another example of this in another video. Take care.